Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to find your draft videos on YouTube. Alright, let's begin. First, open the YouTube app on your mobile device, whether it's an iPhone or Android. To create a draft, tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen and select the option to record a video. Tap the shutter button to start recording. Once you are done, tap the cross icon at the top left corner of the screen. A menu will appear with two options: Start Again or Save as Draft. Tap on Save as Draft. You'll see a confirmation message saying Draft Saved. Now, to find your saved draft video, go back to the YouTube home screen. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom again. This time, look at the bottom right corner. You will see an option labeled Drafts. Tap on it. All of your saved draft videos will appear in this section. You can view, edit, or upload them from here. If you want to delete a specific draft, tap on the three-dot menu icon at the top right corner of the draft video and select Delete. So that's basically how you can find your draft videos on YouTube. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.